and let there be light. And there was light. Hi guys, how are you doing? Welcome back to my YouTube channel. My name is Lexi Wangu. In case you're new here, karibu. Please join the family by clicking on that subscription button, notification bell as well, so you don't miss out on new videos from me. So today I'm gonna be doing a product review on the Garnier Vitamin C Even and Matte range, and I'm just gonna jump right into it because I've done a video like this before. If you wanna check it out, here it is. Click on this. It was basically how, or rather a step-by-step on how to use the products. So today what I'll be doing, I'll just be doing a product review 3 months later after using these products. I'm going to be sharing with you the cons, the pros, the experience that I've had while using these products. So if that is something that interests you, please stay till the end of the video so that we can experience this together. Alright, on to the first product. This is the Vitamin C Cleansing Foam from Garnier. The first time I used this product, I felt like it left my skin a little bit dry, but I guess it's because I used it during the cold season. That was around June, July, and it was very cold in Nairobi, and it made me feel like I didn't want to use this cleanser anymore. But then recently, probably a month ago, I went back to this product, tried it again, and well, I can say my experience was different because my skin didn't feel as, stripped off as compared to the first time that I used it. And so this made me, come to the realization that you can actually switch your skincare products depending with the type of environment that you're in, depending on the season that it is. So you just have to learn and understand what your skin needs or what your skin wants. So what does this product claim to do? This product claims to visibly even and restore skin glow. And then it's written it has vitamin C plus lemon. My honest opinion after using this product for the past 3 months is my skin has become more, like my skin tone has become more even compared to before. I had like an even skin tone, and after using this product for that long, well, I can honestly see a change. Honestly, I can see a change. So this product is really creamy and it lathers so well, especially if you damp your face with water and then use a little of this product. It really does go a long way. For those people who don't like scents in their product, or rather perfume in their products, then you're not gonna like this product because it has like a smell. Like, it's not a bad smell, it's actually nice and good, but there's some people who just can't do with fragrance or rather perfume in their skincare product. So if you're the kind of person who doesn't mind, fragrance or perfume in your skincare products, then you're gonna love this product. Something else I realized is it's more suitable for people who have oily skin, because as I said before, the first time I used it, even though I have oily skin, it kind of left my skin a little bit dry, and that was during the cold season. I just feel like it's more, appropriate to be used with people who have probably combination to oily skin or normal to oily skin, but it is a good product. I honestly love it. Will I purchase it again? Probably yes, I will, because it's just a good one. It's nice, I like it. So on to the next product, still a vitamin C product from Garnier, and this is the Micellar Water. And as you can clearly see, I have consumed this product. It's almost finished. It's a good product. If I compare it to the original Micellar Water, the original Micellar Water, the one that has a pink lid, I don't know, for some reason, it's not that this is a bad Micellar Water or it's not something that I can use again, but for whatever reason, I don't know why, I just love the original one. Maybe it's because it's the first one that I used and it impressed me, so I kind of prefer the original one to the vitamin C. But this is not a bad product. It's good, I like it. It gets the job done. It has no perfume, it removes makeup, it cleanses, brightens. And then something different with this one compared to the other one is this one is a no rinse off. The other one is usually like you apply it on your face, remove the makeup, remove the oils, remove the dirt, and then rinse it off. But this one, directions on the package says no rinse off, so there's nothing much to say about this product. All right, so for the third product, this is the vitamin C dark spot corrector, this one here. Garnier. This is a good product. It has actually transformed my skin in a good way. One thing I like about it is honestly it does fade away dark spots. What can I say about this product? I've done a video on this product. It was actually an update after using it, I think, for a week or so. If you want to check out that video, by the way, it's here. I've done a whole review on this product, but one thing I can say about it now that I've used it for more than 2 months is if you use this product, let's say you have dark spots, you use this product and then your dark spots fade away, please discontinue the use. Don't keep using it on, you know, if you don't have dark spots, because I feel like despite it fading away your dark spots, when your dark spots are gone and then you keep on applying this product, I feel like it kind of lightens up your skin. There's a difference between brightening and lightening me radi. Anyway, yeah, there's a difference between brightening and lightening. What am I saying? Yeah, if your dark spots fade away, please discontinue use, because one, it makes this has vitamin C, and vitamin C makes your skin sensitive to the sun. That is written on this product as well. It does make your skin sensitive to the sun. So apart from making your skin sensitive to the sun, I feel like it just makes my skin a little bit lighter than it's supposed to be. I hope you guys understand what I'm saying. Like, it's meant to fade dark spots. It is a dark spot corrector. So once your dark spots fade away, please discontinue use unless maybe you have another breakout and get the dark spots, then you can go back to this product. But once you use it and your skin is clear and everything, just discontinue the use. Alright, so on to the last product. This is the Garnier Skin Active Even and Matte Vitamin C Booster Serum. Booster Serum. This product I love. This is actually my third bottle in a span of 3 months, so that means I use a bottle every month. Yeah, I think so. Although it's recommended to be used every day, I don't use it every day. I use it 3 times a week and it lasts me a month because it's just such a good product. On the box it claims to, let's just read that, it's written anti-dark marks efficiency from day 6. So typically it does the same job as the dark spot corrector because it does fade away dark spots. Something else I like about it is your skin texture. Oh my god, use this product, you're going to love your skin texture because it smoothens. Like every time I use it afterwards, my skin is usually so smooth and I just love it. Yani this from all the Garnier Vitamin C Even and Matte collection, this is probably my favorite. Am I going to purchase it again? Yes, because I love it. Something else I like about this product is it really does make my pores less visible, because we know people who have oily skin, we always tend to have like enlarged pores, and this product, every time I apply it, especially let's say when I wake up in the morning and I notice that my pores are a little bit enlarged, when I apply this product 3 hours later, I will notice that my pores have, like they're not that visible as they were when I woke up in the morning. It has been written that it has niacinamide, and niacinamide is known for reducing the appearance of enlarged pores, not shrinking them but just reducing the appearance. So how do I layer these products every time I'm using them? I do start with the vitamin C cleansing foam, and this I use it in the morning. I don't use it at night because I'm using a salicylic acid Cosrx cleanser, because I think I'm just too oily. My skin is just too oily and it needs salicylic acid, so I usually use that at night, and then this I use in the morning. And after using this, I do go in with Micellar Water. This is not all the time. I just use it sometimes to kind of tone my face because it's a no rinse off. I use it to tone my skin. And then if I'm not if I'm not trying to get rid of dark spots or dark marks on my face, I usually skip this, because I've told you guys, if you don't have dark marks, please do not tafadhali, just do not, I don't know, as in just don't. It's meant to fade dark spots. So if you don't have dark spots, achana nayo. And something else, if you want to fade your dark spots, by the way, and you want to save some coins, I will advise you use the vitamin C serum instead of this, because I feel like they do the same job. They get the job done. Like, they're both vitamin C. This is a dark spot corrector, this is a serum. It fades your dark spots same as this. So if you want to save some coins, please just go ahead and purchase these. But then if you have the mullahs and you don't mind spending, go ahead and buy the both of them. Use them on your skin. I'm sure your skin will love it, but use them in moderation. Don't go overboard with skincare products. Yeah, what else is there to talk about? I think I've said everything that I needed to say about the Garnier Vitamin C, even in matte products. I'm yet to try the vitamin C cream that has SPF. I haven't tried it yet. If you guys have tried that, please leave your comments below and let me know your experience with that product, so I may try it out. We are here to learn kama kawaida na kuchanuana, so comments hapo chini. Something else, by the way, I would like to thank you guys for, you guys are really supporting me. My videos, yani muna watch mpaka mnafanya tunasikia raha. So yeah, keep supporting your girl. Share this video if you feel like it's helpful to you. Somebody else out there might need it. Just share with your friends, leave your comments, subscribe to my channel kama kawaida, and I'll see you on the next video. So bye. Oh, and there was no more light. Akilo hakuna mtu wa kunizimia stima, so bye guys.